watching Adventure Call. My name is Falconhoof, and I will be your guide on your quest. Greetings, Line 1, what is your name, traveller?
Oh, hello, my name's Harriet.
Greetings, Harriet. Are you ready to begin your quest?
Oh, I'm so glad we got through it. Aye, we're ready.
Very well. You awake on a horse-drawn cart. Riding the horse is an executioner. To your side is a whip. What would you like to do?
Right, okay, now, can I ask you a question?
Of course, I am your guide.
Would you like to help disadvantaged children?
I'm sorry, traveller.
Hold on, I've got it written down. Would you like to help disadvantaged children? We at the Gibbs Hill Community Outreach Project are committed to helping disadvantaged young people achieve their full potential. To this end, we invite you to spend an afternoon with us at the Gibbs Hill Community Centre next Thursday at 1 PM. It will excite, entertain and ultimately inspire the young people of Gibbs Hill. So what do you think, Falconhoof? It's just a few hours with the youngsters, just giving something back, talking about how you got to where you are. I think it would really mean a lot to them.
I would be delighted.
He said aye! He said aye!
Well, you have them there. They sound a very merry band of travellers.
They are. They're all for the moon, Falconhoof. Right, Somerton. So what do they, Falconhoof, to just stay on the line to get your details?
Yes, one of our elves will give you my details.
Oh, that's good. We'll be able to pick you up in a minibus. It's about an hour's drive. Would you be quiet? Can't hear myself think here. It's about an hour's drive in a minibus, but all the boys will be in there with you. It'll fly by with a banter, believe me.
And are they adventure fans? They don't seem
Well,
to...
it's only really me and Joanne that like the show, but all the boys do all the impressions. They've been bugging us to get you to come through. They can't believe it. They're punching air in here.
Ah, good.
Right, let me go and I'll speak to your elves then.
Very well, traveller. I look forward to seeing... Let's take another call.